Good game, good game. Wait, sister, wait. Do you play only chess? No. No. The answer is no. The answer is no, guys. The answer is no. Well, it does take time, guys. It does take time. It does take time. It does take time. Yeah, the typical question that we get is, oh, when I do tactics, someone tells me there's a tactic, so I find it. But in a real game, no one is telling me there's a tactic. Well, that is going to occur at a certain moment. It depends on the person, right? Some people, it takes a month, some weeks, some years. But believe it or not, one day, you don't know when you're gonna start seeing them in your games. So we just need to do lots of them so that your brain picks up the patterns and you start to see it. Of course, everything that we have talked in the YouTube videos helps, guys. Your intuition, if you develop it properly, is going to tell you, you know what, in this position there might be something. There are pieces being attacked, there is pressure on the king, there is piece concentration on one side of the board, and then you're gonna start looking for it. But it's much easier when the pattern is there. All right, so let me just take, again, you see, there's a pin. That's a pattern that I picked up quickly. So I'm thinking, can I exploit it? What is that knight defending? And then I just take it. For some people, they don't even have to go like that. They just look at the board, their brain picks up, oh, free pawn on e4 because everything is pinned and so on. But just keep doing it. Keep doing it. No, I'm just accepting the challenges. So you can see here my username. Let me see, can you see it there? Yeah, you can see my username. Just find me and send me a challenge, okay? Hey, I thought this was open. Okay, anyways, probably was the better move, but now I'm not so sure. Now this came to mind, but doesn't really do anything. So we just castle. Hey, that's what? What happened here, guys? Let me see. I was talking about tactics and patterns, and I castled into a checkmate in one move. See, for me, I missed one before. I fell for one now. I need to do 100 one move checkmates. All right, congrats. Nice. There you go. I'm gonna take a screenshot of this and frame it. Nice, man, nice. Don't you castle this yet? Well, you know what? I've gotten destroyed before, and I think by a lower rated opponent. Now, good one. Look, you spotted, you went for it. Nice.